Hey, welcome back to Emmett's Cafe. Today we're making chocolate chip cake. The first video was such a hit, I got a brand new kitchen. First thing we're going to do is put our butter in our mixing bowl. Man, this butter's sticky. Butter gets blended for 3 minutes. Now we got 3 minutes to go. I thought about it and I moved this mixer so you can see my face and not the back of my head. We're going to add the bowl of sugar. We're going to use 1 spoon at a time. I think that's enough for our first scoop, and now we're going to do it again. Another mixer-rooney. Looking good. We're going to let our butter and sugar mix for 4 minutes so it can get creamy. And this time I moved that level all the way to 10. We're going to use 3 eggs. We dip our eggs in 1 at a time. 1 at a time, we mix our eggs. 6. We're gonna put our bowl on 6. We're gonna add our sour cream to the batter. We're gonna use a whole pot of sour cream. We're gonna use a teaspoon and a half of pure vanilla extra. I think I should test those chocolate chips. Nope, not poison. We're going to put baking powder and baking soda into our flour. Carefully mix it, everyone. You're going to mix that for 60 seconds. You're not a real baker until you get some flour on your hands. We're going to add our flour mixture into our batter, 1 scoop at a time. We're going to mix it low because we don't want our flour to fly out. We're going to add our cinnamon to our sugar. Now we blend it together. We want to make sure our cake doesn't stick, so we're going to spray our pan. After our pan is thoroughly sprayed, we're going to add a little flour. I'm going to use a heaping teaspoon. I'm going to shake the pan all around. I do it over the sink so it doesn't make a mess. Next, we're going to use parchment paper for the rest of non-stick protection. We're going to lay it in there and we're going to smooth it out. We're going to add our first layer of batter into our parchment paper. You want to spread your batter around evenly on the pan. We're going to pour our cinnamon into our pan. You want to shake it evenly back and forth across the mixture. Now we're going to put our chocolate chips in. This is the most important part of our whole operation. Start out poison. We're going to put our batter on top of our chocolate chips. Excuse my eating, chocolate is delicious. We're going to pour our cinnamon on to our batter. We have already preheated our oven to 325 degrees. And now the cake has to bake for 50 minutes. Our cake is out of the oven. We'll come back later and have a piece. Our cake is finished and it looks delicious, so let's dig in. Grandma Gemma's chocolate chip cake is awesome. If you want to see more great recipes, like and subscribe. Stop for a National Geographic magazine. Have the dentist's office experience in your own home at all times.